In today's fast-paced world, maintaining optimal health is crucial, especially when faced with various environmental and lifestyle stressors. One powerful approach to gaining traction for both weight loss and immune system support is the ketogenic diet. By harnessing the body's natural ability to burn fat for fuel, keto not only aids in shedding excess pounds but also fortifies the immune system. In this comprehensive video, I'll delve into the science behind keto's immune-boosting effects and provide 20 actionable tips for effective weight loss and overall health enhancement. After that, I'm giving you healthy, keto-friendly food choices that boost the body's immune system. So you will have an idea what foods you need to eat to stay healthier and better protected against illnesses. First, let me give you tips for effective weight loss and immune support on keto. Mindful meal planning. Emphasize the importance of planning meals ahead to ensure adherence to the ketogenic macronutrient ratios. Prioritize healthy fats. Encourage the consumption of quality fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts for sustained energy and immune support. Opt for whole foods. Avoid processed foods and focus on whole, nutrient-dense options to optimize immune function and weight loss efforts. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial for overall health and can support weight loss by promoting satiety and optimizing metabolic function. Incorporate intermittent fasting. Discuss the benefits of intermittent fasting in conjunction with keto for accelerated fat loss and immune system rejuvenation. Include fiber-rich vegetables. Despite being low in carbohydrates, non-starchy vegetables provide essential fiber and micronutrients vital for immune health and digestion. Monitor protein intake. While moderate protein consumption is encouraged on keto, excess protein can potentially hinder ketosis and weight loss progress. Practice stress management. Chronic stress can compromise immune function and hinder weight loss efforts, so implementing stress reduction techniques such as meditation or yoga is essential. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is paramount for both weight management and immune system function, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night. Incorporate resistance training. Building lean muscle mass through resistance training not only aids in fat loss but also supports a robust immune system. Experiment with exogenous ketones. Discuss the potential benefits of exogenous ketone supplements in enhancing ketosis and promoting weight loss. Supplement wisely. Certain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D and zinc, play crucial roles in immune function and may need supplementation, especially on a ketogenic diet. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to success on keto, both in terms of dietary adherence and lifestyle habits like exercise and sleep. Seek support. Joining a community or finding a support system can provide accountability and motivation throughout the weight loss journey. Practice patience. Weight loss and immune system improvements take time, so be patient and focus on long-term health and wellness rather than quick fixes. Now let's move on with some food tips that boost your immune system, and I give you a detailed information why. Fatty fish. Guardians of immunity. Picture this: a serene ocean teeming with life, where sleek predators glide effortlessly through the azure depths. Enter fatty fish, the stalwart defenders of our immune system. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic marvels, think salmon, mackerel, and sardines, possess unparalleled anti-inflammatory properties, shielding our bodies from the onslaught of pathogens and oxidative stress. Whether grilled to perfection or delicately poached, integrating fatty fish into your keto repertoire is a surefire strategy for bolstering your immune defenses. Avocado. Nature's nutrient powerhouse amidst the sun-drenched orchards of Central America lies a verdant gem revered for its creamy texture and unrivaled nutrient density, the avocado. Bursting with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and an abundance of vitamins and minerals, this versatile fruit serves as a cornerstone of the ketogenic diet. But its immune-boosting prowess extends far beyond its macronutrient profile. Avocado's potent antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, act as vigilant sentinels, safeguarding our cells against oxidative damage and bolstering immune function. Whether mashed into guacamole or sliced atop a bed of greens, the avocado reigns supreme as a formidable ally in our quest for vitality. Cruciferous vegetables. Nature's pharmacy journey to the verdant fields where emerald crucifers reign supreme, their vibrant hues a testament to their formidable nutritional prowess. From the verdant embrace of kale to the crisp bite of broccoli, these humble vegetables harbor a treasure trove of immune-boosting compounds. Laden with sulforaphane, glycosylates, and indole 3-carbonyl, Cruciferous vegetables possess unparalleled detoxifying properties, cleansing our bodies of harmful toxins and bolstering immune resilience. Incorporating these cruciferous marvels into your keto meals not only adds depth and flavor but also fortifies your body's natural defenses against illness and infection. Berries, nature's antioxidant bounty amidst the sun-dappled glades of summer. Jewel-toned berries glisten like precious gems, their sweet fragrance tantalizing the senses. From plump blueberries to succulent raspberries, these luscious fruits are more than just a delectable indulgence. They're potent allies in the fight against immune invaders. Bursting with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, berries neutralize free radicals and quench inflammation, nurturing our immune system from within. Whether enjoyed fresh or blended into a refreshing smoothie, incorporating berries into your keto regimen is a deliciously sweet strategy for fortifying your body's natural defenses. Turmeric, golden elixir of health. Journey to the sun-kissed landscapes of Southeast Asia, where vibrant spice bazaars beckon with their intoxicating aromas. Revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, turmeric boasts a potent compound called curcumin, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting prowess. From golden lattes to aromatic curries, incorporating turmeric into your keto culinary repertoire not only tantalizes the taste buds but also nurtures your body's innate resilience, empowering you to thrive in the face of adversity. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet offers a powerful tool for both weight loss and immune system support. By prioritizing whole foods, healthy fats, and lifestyle factors like sleep and stress management, individuals can optimize their health and well-being on keto. Embrace the keto lifestyle and reap the benefits of enhanced immunity and sustainable weight loss. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I could provide useful and value-rich information to you.